As Vangani Mathai said, and I quote, the environment and the economy are really both two sides of the same coin. If we cannot sustain our environment, we cannot sustain ourselves. With this inspirational quote, I Vedant Kaneri welcome you all to the Environment Day program of R.A. Gurukul presented by our very own students. Prayer should not be regarded as a duty to be performed, but a privilege to be enjoyed, a rare delight that is always guiding us on the right path. We seek the blessings of the Almighty before we start any program. So I'd like to call upon our choir group for the prayer.
मेधादेवी जुषमाणा नागा द्विष्वाचि भद्रा सुमनस्य माना त्वया जुष्टानुधमाना दुरुक्तान् बृहद्वदेम विदधे सुवीराः त्वया जुष्टा ऋषिर्भवति देवी त्वया ब्रह्मा गतच्छिरो त्वया जुष्टास्त्रिन्त्रं विन्दते वसुसानो जुषस्व द्रविणो न मेधे मेधामैन्द्रो ददातु मेधां देवी सरस्वती मेधामे अश्विना भुववा दत्तां पुष्करस्रजाम् अप्सरासु चया मेधा गन्धर्वेषु चयन्मनः दैवी मेधा सरस्वती सा मां मेधासुरभिजषताम् आमां मेधासुरभि विश्वरूपा हिरण्यवर्णा जगति जगम्या ऊर्जस्वती पयसा पिन्वमाना सा मां मेधा सुप्रतीका जुषन्ताम् मयि मेधा मयि प्रजा मयि अग्निस्तेजो ददातु मयि मेधा मयि प्रजा मयि इन्द्रियं ददातु मयि मेधा मयि प्रजा मयि सूर्यो भ्राजो ददातु ॐ सरस्वते च विद्महे ब्रह्मपत्न्यै च धीमहि तन्नो वाणी प्रचोदयात् ॐ हंसाय विद्महे.
Though the nature is thriving now, we have paid a heavy price for it, giving away our liberty. To breathe underneath the wide blue sky is now just a distant dream, all because of our own misdeeds. Environment Day is the golden opportunity to make a resolution to change our outlook and care for every small thing in the environment. Environment sustains life, and this is possible only when we take up our responsibility towards the environment. Celebrated every year on 5th June, Environment Day represents the importance of environment and spreads awareness to keep it healthy and clean. Alphonse de Lamartine said, "Music is the literature of heart. It commences with speech ends." Every program has a song to express its message. So here is ours, presented by the choir group of R.A. Gurukul.
The earth is my home. I promise to keep it healthy and beautiful. I will love the land, the air, the water, and all living creatures.
with such a mesmerizing song.
The theme for Environment Day 2021 is Ecosystem Restoration. This will also symbolize the launch of the UN Decade on Ecosystem Restoration. This can take up many forms such as growing trees, greening cities, rewilding gardens, changing diets, or cleaning up rivers and coasts. So, on the occasion of Environment Day, I would like to request our Principal Ma'am, Srimati Ragamani Iyer, to speak a few words and enlighten us.
Hari Om and Namaste to all my students, parents, teachers, and of course grandparents if they are watching. Mother Earth. Mother Earth is one of the greatest creations of God. The luscious green forests were meant to be an abode for thousands of unique trees, shrubs, and wildflowers. It is home to some of the rarest birds and the most fascinating insects. Reptiles are meant to flourish in these forests, and animals ought to roam freely without fear of being hunted down. I thought initially that I'll have to speak about global warming and climate change and of course a depletion of natural resources. Then I thought, let us discuss what we can do. How can we find solutions for all this, for the environment, in a very small way, in which we can contribute to saving this beautiful earth of ours. During the course of the today's event, let us break down and ponder upon how this can be achieved through small and significant steps. And what we can do as an individual to contribute to ecosystem restoration. Restoring the lost ecosystem is a long process and will require consolidated efforts from all stakeholders. This we cannot do individually. The government, NGOs, local bodies, corporates, student communities and individuals, everyone need to contribute. As an individual, I had discussed this before during the orientation, that the first thing begins from home, the charity begins from home. It has to come from home. How do you respect the environment? There are many societies in our city that they are very particular about segregation of the garbage, the wet garbage and the dry garbage. I had taken this up as a mission because I had to change myself for this. I changed myself, my way of looking into it, and I started doing that segregation. Yes, we are contributing to the environment if we do that. I made that effort a conscious effort to bring this change. We need to bring that. Small changes consciously, you will definitely find the change happening in mass. We can still protect our nature. Yes. Restoration and protection will go hand in hand. Of course, celebrations are an integral part of learning. We learn through celebrations. Today on World Environment Day, we celebrate the bounty of nature. We praise God's creations and pledge to do whatever it takes to restore and conserve the beauty of nature. Please start your step today. I have started. Still, the mission is not over. I have to keep the environment good for my coming generation. That is the commitment I am doing today. I expect the same from students and all. Hari Om and Namaste.
Thank you, ma'am, for such a motivating speech.
Art is expressing yourself with no words. It can also be used to share a strong social message. So today we have the talented students of Arya Gurukul showcasing their passion for the art with some small messages for us to learn about. So audience, hold on to your seats as the skilled students of Arya Gurukul perform a spectacular art presentation.
If you like to shoot an animal, do it with a camera, not with a gun. Our wildlife needs our help. With this, today, on the eve of Environment Day, I am Tanishka Rajeshwak representing my poster in front of everyone. So friends, why is environment important? Environment plays an important role in the healthy living of the existence of the life on planet Earth. Earth is a home for different living species, and we all are dependent on environment for food, air, water and other needs. The famous saying, until one has loved an animal, a part of one's soul is remained unaltered, describes the importance of animal. So my poster represents animals are the beauty of our nature as well as the behavior response as are a source of inspiration for many. Without them, our nature is like a flower having no fragrance and no color. Their existence in the jungle and houses is like stars in the sky. The IIFM suggests that there are a number of intangible economical benefits that come from tiger reservoirs. They can create jobs, promote soil conservation, help in water purification, and serve as a habitat for the large varieties of species. Besides, it helps protect gen pool of innumerable organisms. With this, I would like to conclude. Thank you. Hari Om.
Namaste everyone, I am here to explain our poster on Environment Day. So on Environment Day, we all know our environment is continuously getting deteriorated due to the human activities, and in this process, many animals are also getting destroyed. They are getting killed, their homes are also getting killed, our resources are being depleted, and also we know about other factors getting affected by it. So in this poster, we can see a human face with the eyes of a tiger, which depicts that CO2 theme from the view of tigers. As what if our families were getting killed, our friends were getting killed, our relatives were getting killed? Would we sit silently and observe, we will take action against it? So I am here ending with the slogan, let us live or we won't get killed by the tiger.
Look at the tigers mighty and strong, killing them for fur is very wrong. With this, on eve of Environmental Day, I Advait Khillari representing my poster in front of you. Do you know why tigers are important? Tigers are important because they balance our ecosystem. If we will kill tigers, there will be increasing herbivorous animals. If there will be increasing herbivorous animals, there will be imbalance in our ecosystem. So my poster represents Save Tiger to Save Ecosystem. Thank you.
Hari Om. I am Aradhya Pandiji from grade 8 and I am here to describe my drawing. My drawing is based on the topic of Restore Earth. The way the toddler all the time needs his toys, the way the question is incomplete without an answer, the same way the earth always needs the natural resources to cherish. In this drawing, all the natural resources which belong to the earth, like the trees, the water, the soil, the coal, the gold, the rainbow, etc., are approaching the earth in the form of droplets, and earth is ready to take all of them. For this, the humans need to unite and remove and drag out all the pollution, the garbage, and reduce the use of machines such as AC and refrigerator, which produce greenhouse gases. This was the message of the drawing, so that the earth can flourish.
Hello and Namaste. I Parthan Nair from grade 5th A. Today I would like to say about Environment Day. As we all know, 5th June is celebrating as World Environment Day. On this day of World Environment, I have to give you a message that water is the most polluted essential element which is to be saved. In this poster, I displayed that our Mother Earth is crying and our eyes are overflowing with water which give us life to all species on earth, and also teach us that even a drop of water can bring life. Water make us to live in the green and calm areas. If we lose our water sources, the life of humans and all living species survival will be in danger. My friends, on this special day, as the students of Arya Gurukul, we have also more responsibilities and duties to prevent our planet from destruction. Let us pledge that we will do plantation and other pro-life activities for the long life of our mother planet. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
Hari Om and Namaste. I am Barkha Mangal Shankar from 5th C. Restoring ecosystem could also remove 30 to 26 tons of greenhouse gases from the atmosphere. There is only one Earth. She is my mother. Protect her by restoring ecosystem. On this World Environment Day, let's all to value what we have in nature by restoring ecosystem.
Hari Om and Namaste. I am Jay Warrior from grade 5th. Healthier ecosystems with richer biodiversity produce greater benefits such as more fertile soil, higher yields of woods and fish, and greater reserves of greenhouse gases. Save nature, save earth, save our only home by restoring ecosystem. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
Hari Om and Namaste. I am Daksh Sharma from grade 4A. Restoring ecosystems help regulate disease and reduce the risk of natural disaster. Ecosystem restoration can help us to meet all the sustainable development goals. Healthy ecosystems promote healthy life. Environment is no one's property to destroy. It is our responsibility to protect. Thank you.
I am Ian from grade 5th B. Without the support of the environment, we do not exist. The environment is the basis of life. Nature is beautiful. Preserve it and restore ecosystem. Happy World Environment Day. Thank you.
Wow, what a wonderful artwork presented by the students of Arya Gurukul.
दुनिया में विविध प्रकार की भाषाएं बोली जाती हैं, पर संगीत वह भाषा है जो सबसे प्रचलित और सबके समझ में आती है। तो मैं हमारे विद्यालय के संगीत समूह को विनम्र निवेदन करती हूँ कि वह हमारे समक्ष एक संगीत प्रस्तुत करें।
फिर से हम लाएंगे नई सुबह, शीशे सा पानी नीला आसमान, चारों तरफ हो हरियाली जहाँ, जंगल में पंछी भी गाए सदा। तेरी रक्षा कब्र है लिया, हमको सिखाएगी अपनी धरा। तेरी रक्षा कब्र है लिया, हमको सिखाएगी अपनी धरा। धूम तना तेरे नाम, धूम तना तेरे दे तेरी रक्षा का प्रण है लिया, फिर बरसाएगी अपनी धरा। तेरी रक्षा का प्रण है लिया, फिर बरसाएगी अपनी धरा। तेरी रक्षा का प्रण है लिया, वसुधैव कुटुम्बकम्, वसुधैव कुटुम्बकम्, वसुधैव कुटुम्बकम्, वसुधैव कुटुम्बकम्, वसुधैव कुटुम्बकम्, वसुधैव
बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत ही सुंदर प्रदर्शन था।
Environmental Day is an important day because on this day we are not thinking about ourselves but our future generations. Will they be able to breathe in the clean air like we are? Will they be able to have as much as water that we have today? We need to conserve these resources and ultimately protect our environment. With this positive message, we have the dance group presenting a stunning dance performance.
Listen to the animals, listen to the trees, listen to the spirits of the earth begging us, please stop listening to greed. Listen to the rivers, listen to the sea, listen to the spirits of the deep begging us, please stop listening to greed. She sent the drought to warn us, she sent the storms to scold us, but we don't listen. We burn and we break and we take and we take and we take till it's too late. Oh, where did the beasts go? Where did the trees go? Where will man go when he has lost the heart beat beneath his feet? Oh, this is our home. She gives us home, Mother Earth. Can you feel her heart beat beneath your feet? Heart beat beneath your feet. Heart beat beneath your feet. Listen to the animals, listen to the trees, listen to the spirits of the earth begging us, please stop listening to greed. Listen to the rivers, listen to the sea, listen to the spirits of the deep begging us, please stop listening to greed. Listen to the animals, listen to the trees, listen to the spirits of the earth begging us, please stop listening to greed. Listen to the rivers, listen to the sea, listen to the spirits of the deep begging us, please stop listening to greed.
What a spectacular performance!
Good morning and welcome to the World Environment Day 2021, event organized by Arya Global Group. World Environment Day, a United Nations General Assembly initiative to observe the 5th of June every year to discuss matters concerning the environment. Restoration of nature, curbing pollution, bringing about sustainable changes, making the earth greener and a better place to live in.
Earth, that is our mother. has given us its bounty and taken care of us all these years. It is now time that we look after our Mother Earth. Dear parents, do you remember the tiny yellow butterflies that used to fly in our gardens, or the plethora of snails during the monsoons? Those leaves that would shut down when someone touched it, we call them touch-me-nots. Where have they disappeared?
Good morning. The theme of the year 2021 World Environment Day is Ecosystem Restoration. The United Nations has even declared the years 2021 to 2030 as the decades of ecosystem restoration. Now, let us understand what this means. Ecosystem restoration, recovery of the destroyed ecosystem or the depleted natural resources. It also means conserving the Earth's reserves and stopping them from further damage. Our ecosystem consists of all the aspects of our surroundings, including forest, farmlands, cities, wetlands, and oceans.
Climate change is affecting us in the ways that are subtle, and that's why it fails to alarm us. They affect us through the quality of food that we eat, the way we cannot stay without air condition or fans. They affect the cost of our food items. They affect our hormones and therefore our physical and mental health. Are you experiencing too many mood swings? Blame it on the climate.
We at Taro Global consider nature our best friend. Our children, right from an early age, have been discussing about curbing the use of plastic. They are encouraged not to waste water, to reuse waste, and to take care of their surroundings. We hope that the next generation will be more cautious in the ways in which they behave. Thank you very much.
Planting trees is often cited as one of the basic and yet most important ways in which nature can be protected. Each one of us can plant trees in our homes, in our neighborhoods. We can take up the community tree plantation programs.
We must encourage real estate firms that give equal importance to restoring their landscape as they do to their buildings and other amenities. The year 2020 saw the highest temperature recorded and saw a great number of forest fires. It is time to do our every bit to ensure that we are refueling the earth with its most natural cleanser, and that is trees.
Rapid consumerism is one of the leading factors that is contributing to the depletion of our resources. The availability of things to buy just by a click on a button or just by a tap on a screen is leading us to use more, waste more, and want more. Some would argue that this is good for our economy, but at what cost?
According to the Indian Equity Foundation, the e-commerce industry is expected to surpass the United States to become the second largest e-commerce market in the world by 2034. Sure, this is a sign of progress, but it also means use of more transportation, use of more packaging material, and more wastage.
Hari Om Namaste. Nature is beautiful. Nature is relaxing. Nature is all that. It is the one thing that inspires artists to paint, to create music. Nature itself is music. The rippling waterfall, the song of a cuckoo, the symphony of cricket at night. Nature presents us with opportunities to exalt God's creation. The beauty of the rising sun, the song of a cuckoo, the dance of the peacock, the roar of the majestic lion, all these never fail to amaze us. Therefore, let us pledge together to do our bit in helping Mother Earth restore its lost beauty and save what is left of her.
Making small dietary changes such as including more of a plant-based diet helps in reduction of carbon emission. Of course, we all have the choice to select the diet we want to follow. But remember, the total amount of carbon footprint of a vegetarian diet is about half in comparison of a non-vegetarian diet. To put in simple words, carbon footprint means the total amount of greenhouse gases such as methane, carbon dioxide that are emitted into the environment by our actions. I do not propagate an overnight sudden change, but small tiny actions taken by us can definitely go a long way in saving and protecting our planet Earth. As the saying goes, little drops of water makes a mighty ocean.
Today, on World Environment Day, we discuss and chart out new ways in which our planet can be kept healthy and green. It will also shape the habits of our future generations. Our children and their children will adopt the ways and manners in which we behave. Therefore, it is important that we set up a good example for them to follow. Replacing your vehicle with a good old walk or cycling will not only reduce carbon emissions and air pollution but also keep you healthy. Therefore, it is a win-win deal.
Turn wheresoever I may, by night or by day, with things which I have seen, I now see no more. These are the famous lines of the noted English poet William Wordsworth, and these lines remind us of the fragility of nature. The cyclone Amphan has claimed 128 lives. It has snatched the livelihoods of many more and destroyed their homes. The fatality of cyclone Taukte is 174 lives, with 81 still missing. It has caused damage to the extent of $2.1 billion. That is why it is called a nature's fury.
Today, on this special day, we have discussed many important ways in which we can take care of our environment by planting more trees, recycling waste, controlling our purchases, adopting healthier options such as eating more plant-based foods, and walking or cycling short distances instead of using vehicles. We need to keep in mind that these changes in habits will take time, but the benefits that we all as humanity will reap are immense.
Dear children, please remember that every activity that you participate in, whether it is eco-friendly Ganesha making or eco-friendly Holi celebration, or making a poster on World Environment Day, or even singing or voicing your opinions through speeches, you are making an impact in many minds. So remember, every small action is valuable and contributing in saving our precious earth.
We are honored to be a part of this great worldwide movement as we, the Arya Global Group of Institutions, feel strongly about conservation of nature. Nature is one of the greatest teachers around us. It teaches us about patience, resilience, sharing, and about coexistence. May we carry the lessons of nature in our hearts and bear them in our minds for a healthier and happier tomorrow.
It is wonderful feeling to see our students spreading positive awareness and bringing in positive contributions on this day. The future is in their hands and we are blessed to have aware, optimistic and determined individuals to carry the baton of humanity further.
Kutumbakam. The world is one family, and indeed, we are a family, and the earth is our home, and we must stand together to save this gorgeous home of ours.
As we celebrate this day, let us stand together as one, today and always, in our feeling towards keeping this earth healthy, green, and flourishing. We will not waste, we will make healthy choices, we will stand against mindless destruction. We will stand by the organization and institution that have green energy and green production as their motto.
Remember, every tiny step will make a great impact. Happy environment, happy future. Thank you.
योग सिर्फ एक प्रकार का शारीरिक अभ्यास नहीं, अपितु एक प्राचीन ज्ञान है जो हमें स्वस्थ, खुश व शांतिपूर्ण जीवन जीने का मार्गदर्शन प्रदान करता है। इस प्राकृतिक दिवस के अवसर पर हमारे आर्य गुरुकुल के विद्यार्थी रिदमिक योग प्रस्तुत करने जा रहे हैं।
Yoga is a practice that disciplines our body physically, mentally, and spiritually. Today, on this very special occasion of Environment Day, the students of Arya Gurukul are here to enlighten you with the deep connection between yoga and environment. Here we can see the students doing Paschimottanasana. Shashankasana is done by kneeling down and touching our forehead to the ground, which calms us and also, in a way, shows respect to the Mother Earth. Environment. It is nature, and our environment gives us everything we need to survive. Yoga helps us feel more connected with our environment. Now we can see the students performing Dhanurasana or bow pose. About 40% of yoga asanas are named after animals, which increases our connection to the nature even further. Camel pose is one such asana which stretches the entire front of our body. What yoga teaches us is that we are all connected in some way and we need to be mindful of our actions, even to the environment. Now we can see the students performing Trikonasana. We know that wasting paper means wasting trees. Do you know that paper can be recycled 6 times? And by doing this, we are saving about 75,000 trees. Now we can see the students doing Ardha Machendrasana. Every day, 50 to 100 species of plants and animals become extinct as their habitat is impacted by human activities. Yoga helps us to balance our emotions and decisions. Here we can see the students doing T-balance. Trees are an integral part of our environment. It sustains life and provides us what we need the most, oxygen. Vrikshasana is a balancing asana which improves our body balance and increase our focus. Yoga is a union of individual consciousness with that of universal consciousness. It is a perfect harmony between man and nature.
अद्भुत, बहुत ही बढ़िया दृश्य था।
आता एक विद्यार्थी आजच्या दिवसाचे महत्त्व सांगणारी कविता सादर करणार आहे, तर ऐकूया पर्यावरणावर एक छानशी कविता।
हरिओम आणि नमस्ते, मी आर्य दीपक गायकवाड इयत्ता 6वी ब मध्ये शिकते। आज मी तुम्हाला निसर्गाचा ठेवा ही कविता गाऊन दाखवणार आहे। निसर्गाचा ठेवा जपायला हवा, वरदान याचे मानवाला दुवा। निसर्गाची कृपा किती अनंत, कधी ठसेल हे मानवी मनात। निसर्ग उधळण करे मुक्तपणे, मानव ओरडे कृतज्ञपणे। मनापासून जतन करावे त्याचे, सकाळच उमजावे महत्व याचे। वृक्ष देती छाया, फळे आणि फुले, तृणवेली वायू सवे हर्ष भरे डोले। निसर्गाची ही किमया किती न्यारी, मनाला वाटे समाधान भारी। पशु पक्षी करे सर्वांचे मनोरंजन, जगण्यास मिळे उभारी छान। पर्जन्य देई धरेला दान, काय तिची येई तरारून। निसर्ग मानवास देई भरभरून, तरी मानवाची क्षमेना तहान। निसर्ग मानवाचा दोस्त खरा, तयाच्या साधनाचा विचार करा। निसर्ग मानवाचा दोस्त खरा, तयाच्या साधनाचा विचार करा। विचार करा, विचार करा। झाडे लावा, झाडे जगवा। धन्यवाद।
वाह, किती सुंदर कविता होती ती। तुमचे धन्यवाद।
After leaving everyone dazzled by such a spectacular performance, we are back again with another breathtaking and powerful dance performance. Their steps flowing ever so perfectly with the music, their graciousness conveying their message.
Let's take a look at this eye-capturing performance by our Arya Gurukul students. What a graceful and energetic performance by the dance students.
कविता साहित्य की वह विधा है जिससे किसी कहानी या मनोभाव को कलात्मक रूप से किसी भाषा के द्वारा अभिव्यक्त किया जाता है। इसी सब सुविचार के साथ मैं एक विद्यार्थी को पर्यावरण पर एक कविता प्रस्तुत करने के लिए आमंत्रित करती हूँ।
योग और नमस्ते। मैं कीर्ति तिवारी कक्षा 6वीं ब में पढ़ती हूँ और आज मैं आप सबके सामने विश्व पर्यावरण दिवस पर एक कविता प्रस्तुत करना चाहती हूँ। वन, समंदर और धरती को तुम छेड़ रहे हो प्रकृति को, वन काट बंजर किया और नदियों की धारा मोड़ दिया। जरा सोचो तुम्हारा क्या होगा मानव जिस दिन प्रकृति ने तुमको छोड़ दिया। प्रकृति भी है माँ तुम्हारी, वन है जिसके कपड़े गहने। बंद करो अब वृक्ष काटना, कपड़े दो कुछ तन पर रहने। अमृत धारा वाली नदियों को गंदी नाली बना दिया, धरती को कूड़ादान किया और विष हवा में मिला दिया। आज नहीं संभले तो कल बड़ा हाहाकार होगा, मौसम परिवर्तन से तुम्हारे सीने पर वार होगा। तड़प तड़प कर मरेंगे लोग, कहीं बाढ़ कहीं सुखाड़ होगा। प्रकृति तो अवतल दर्पण है, मानव ही जिम्मेवार होगा, मानव ही जिम्मेवार होगा। सबसे बड़ा खिलाड़ी है वो, अभी देख रहा है तुम्हारा खेल, न समझो उसने खेलना बंद कर दिया। जरा सोचो तुम्हारा क्या होगा मानव जिस दिन प्रकृति ने तुमको छोड़ दिया, जिस दिन प्रकृति ने तुमको छोड़ दिया। ये ऊंची ऊंची इमारतें सूखी पत्तियों से बिखर जाएगी। ये आधुनिकता की सनक तुम्हारी एक पल में उतर जाएगी। संयम देख प्रकृति की, इसे बार बार झटकारो न। पलक झपकते उथल पुथल कर देगी वह सब कुछ। इसे बार बार ललकारो न, इसे बार बार ललकारो न। तुम्हें अंदाजा नहीं है क्या होगा जब प्रकृति ने संयम तोड़ दिया, जब प्रकृति ने संयम तोड़ दिया। जरा सोचो तुम्हारा क्या होगा मानव, जिस दिन प्रकृति ने तुमको छोड़ दिया, जिस दिन प्रकृति ने तुमको छोड़ दिया। चारों तरफ बढ़े जागरूकता, पर्यावरण ही है आज की आवश्यकता। धन्यवाद।
The true objective of our today's program was to show the importance of our environment and to keep it healthy and safe. We must protect it and spread awareness. In our Arya Gurukul Student Council, we have our very own environmental editor, Ms. Rugma Biju. So I would like to invite her to express some of her thoughts with us.
Today's action is tomorrow's destiny. With this quote, I, Rugma Biju, Environmental Editor of Arya Gurukul, is here to share my thoughts and ideas on environment. 5th of June is celebrated as World Environment Day. This day is celebrated to spread awareness among people about upcoming major future threat. We all know that plant plays a major role in environment as well as human life. Let us imagine a world without plants. No plants means no trees, no rain, no pure air, in fact no life. Today's destruction caused by humans for their desire would probably lead us to a time when destruction would be caused to humans themselves. Other than deforestation, there are many other sources that can cause ill effect to earth, such as burning of fossil fuels, various types of pollution, etc. To survive in future, we need to stop burning fossil fuels as soon as possible. This is not only the solution. What about the solution right in front of us? The simple and effective solution is plant a sapling, allow it to grow, take good care of it, and stop others from cutting. When we have nature, we are destroying it, and when we would need it at the most, there would be nothing left. We children are future of the world. Let us take responsibility of saving Mother Earth from these adversities. As it is said, small drops of water can make a mighty ocean. Each one of us can do our work and save the environment. We can achieve this by a simple thought: one child, one plant. I request each and every child to plant a sapling or a seed every year and take a good care of it. This small procedure will add on to our motive of preserving environment. As said by famous environmentalist Lady Bird Johnson, environment is the place where we all meet, where we all have mutual interest, and it is the one thing that we all share. Let us save environment, let us save earth. With this, I, Rugma Biju, signing off for the day. Thank you and Hari Om.
Thank you, Rugma, for such powerful and inspirational words.
Not all heroes wear capes. A true hero is someone who puts everyone else before him and then himself. With this inspiring line, we have an equally influencing story for all of you. This lady lives in a small village, but is always given preference to the environment over herself. Let's take a look at this amazing lady Tarzan.
हम लोग 98 से शुरू करके 2003-4 तक को अपना ही जंगल को हम लोग पूरा घूमते थे चारों साइड। कम से कम 50 से 60 हेक्टेयर में बहुत बड़ा एरिया है। कुछ गांव का लोगों मतलब बात सुनता नहीं था। वो लोग बोलता था नहीं हम लोग इसी जंगल से मतलब लकड़ी लेके खाना बनाए हैं, हम लोग सब कुछ किए हैं तो हम लोग जंगल काटेंगे ही। तो और हम लोग बोलते थे नहीं हम लोग काटने नहीं देंगे।
Famously called Jharkhand's Lady Tarzan, Jamuna Tudu and her army of nearly 10,000 women have been protecting the jungles of Jharkhand from illegal loggers. Jamuna was raised in Odisha's Rarampur town. Her father was a farmer. She and her siblings grew up among the surrounding lush forests, helping their father farm by carrying saplings to his fields and tending to them. She moved to Jharkhand after marriage. In order to stop illegal logging, she gathered a group of women to protect their forest. Jamuna's quest with forest conservation started in the year 2000.
लेडी टार्जन ना मतलब बहुत संघर्ष किए हैं ना, तो कभी कभी मतलब ऐसे रूप आ जाता है जो हम किसी को नहीं डरती हूँ, कहीं भी कुछ भी मतलब पीछे में हटने वाला में से नहीं थे, मतलब आगे ही जाएंगे। कोई भी चीज़ अगर काम करना चाहती हूँ, कोई भी अगर करेंगे बोले हैं तो उसको काम करके ही छोड़ती हूँ। तो 2004 का बाद में ना मैं गांव से बाहर निकले मतलब मेरा जैसे मेरा गांव हो गया, फिर दूसरा गांव, तीसरा गांव, पंचायत में, ब्लॉक में, तीसरा ब्लॉक में करके मैंने हम घूम रही थी इसी तरह जैसे गांव का लोगों को जागृत करने के लिए। तो मेरा घर में उस टाइम डकैती करा दिया। जैसे हम बाहर निकलने लगे तो माफिया लोगों का मतलब जलन हो गया, जो तो सब गांव में जागृत कर रही है, तो वो लोगों को गुस्सा आ गया। गुस्सा आने के बाद मेरा घर में डकैती करा दिया। 1:30 बजे रात को मतलब डकैती लोग घुस गया और वो लोग धमकी देने लगा। वो लोग बोला आप अगर ये सब काम कीजिएगा तो आपको हम लोग जान से मार देंगे। तो हम बोला भाई क्या काम कर रहे हैं, हम तो ऐसे कुछ गलत तो काम नहीं कर रहे हैं। तो बोला नहीं, आप ये जो गांव में जाके जागृत कर रही महिला लोगों को लकड़ी मत काटिए, उमुक मत कीजिए, पत्थर मत लेके जाइए, कुछ भी छूने में नहीं देती हो आप लोग जंगल का, तो इसलिए सब काम आपको छोड़ना होगा, तो जाके आपको मतलब रह सकिएगा, नहीं तो आपका जान जाएगा। तो हम कुछ देर के लिए हम डर गया।
However, Jamuna Tudu did not give up. She continued her mission to save forests. She and her team of women would go to forests armed with sticks, spades, bows and arrows to scare away intruders. Then they would confiscate the loggers' abandoned saws and hide them in the village. It made it doubly hard for them that some forest protection officials and police were hand in glove with the mafia. Her community calls her Lady Tarzan for her courage. For her tremendous efforts to save forests, she was awarded the Padma Shri.
आज हम ऑक्सीजन की महिमा जान रहे हैं। 1979 में असम में ब्रह्मपुत्र में जबरदस्त बाढ़ आई। जोरहाट का जो इलाका है ना, वहाँ पे एक लड़का था जादव पयांग, 16 साल का लड़का। उस समय उसने देखा कि बाढ़ में हजारों सांप मरे पड़े। वो ताज्जुब हो गया कि ये क्या हो रहा है, दुनिया भर के जीव जंतु सब मरे पड़े हैं। उससे रहा नहीं गया, उसने पूछा तो बोला कि भाई अपने यहाँ बंजर जमीन है, यहाँ पे अपने लोगों ने कोई पेड़ पौधे नहीं लगाए हैं और बाढ़ आती है तो पूरा का पूरा बहा के ले जाती है, और हमने सब पेड़ काट डाले हैं। उस 16 साल के लड़के के मन में आया कि मुझे पेड़ लगाना है। वो हालत, वो दिन था, आज का दिन है। उस लड़के ने क्या किया कि गया पहले फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट के पास और पूछा कि भाई आप कोई मेरी हेल्प कर सकते हो। तो उन्होंने बोला यहाँ बंजर जमीन है, यहाँ कुछ नहीं हो सकता। पर उस लड़के से हराया नहीं गया। उस लड़के ने, वो ट्राइबल जाति का था, तो उसको एक आइडिया लगा कि भी सांपों के लिए बांस बहुत जरूरी है। तो पहली बार उसने 20 बांस के पेड़ लगाए और 50 और वहां पौधे लगवाए। धीरे धीरे वो 1979 में स्टार्ट किया। ये करता ही रहा। एक आप अंदाजा लगाइए, 1 साल, 5 साल, 10 साल, 15 साल, 30 साल तक, 2009 तक किसी को मालूम नहीं हिंदुस्तान में एक आदमी क्या कर रहा है। वो आदमी 30 साल तक पेड़ ही पेड़ लगाता रहा। सुबह से शाम तक उसकी रोजी रोटी, उसके गाय वगैरह थी, उसके मिल्क से चल जाती थी, पर 30 साल तक। और कितना, उतने आप दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा फॉरेस्ट सिंगल मैन 1360 एकड़ का, यानी आपका न्यूयॉर्क का सेंट्रल लॉक देखो तो 375 हेक्टेयर का है, 1360 हेक्टेयर का अकेले ने बना दिया। और उस व्यक्ति को बात दुनिया में छिपी रह जाती। 2009 में जीतू कलिता करके एक लड़का, वो वाइल्ड फोटोग्राफर था, वो उधर से आया। उसने देखा यार एक साइड में कहां से ये जंगल आ गया। वो अंदर गया, तब उसने देखा कि एक आदमी ये काम कर रहा है। तो उसने वहां लोकल न्यूज़पेपर्स पे वगैरह, जब ये स्टोरी बाहर आई तो 2012 में जवाहरलाल नेहरू यूनिवर्सिटी में उनको बुलाया गया और वहां फिर इनको फॉरेस्ट मैन ऑफ इंडिया का अवार्ड दिया गया। फिर डॉक्टर अब्दुल कलाम आज़ाद जो अपने प्रेसिडेंट थे, उनको मालूम पड़ा, उन्होंने उसकी 2.5 लाख रुपये से फाइनेंशियल हेल्प की और बहुत बड़ा अवार्ड दिया। और वही व्यक्ति को 2015 में पद्मश्री दिया गया। आप मानेंगे आज वो उनकी स्टोरी को अमेरिका की इकोलॉजिकल हर स्कूलों में पढ़ाया जाता है। और आज अपने पर्यावरण की बात कर रहे हैं, अपने खुद को मालूम नहीं कि दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा फॉरेस्ट मैन इंडिया में है, और वो व्यक्ति अकेला 1360 हेक्टेयर में लाखों पेड़ लगा चुका है। और वहाँ आज की डेट में हिरण, वहाँ पे टाइगर, बंगाल टाइगर, सौंप, एलिफेंट आते हैं जो हर साल वहाँ 6 महीने के लिए रहने आते हैं और बच्चे वहाँ पैदा होते हैं। उसके बाद सिंगल हेड वाला रेनोज और हजारों तरह के सांप और पंछी। तो दुनिया के, हिंदुस्तान के 80% पंछी वहाँ पे आते हैं। तो अगर एक आदमी अगर चाहे तो क्या कर सकता है, ये अपने को देखने को मिलता है। इसलिए अकेले का भी हौसला कभी नहीं तोड़ना चाहिए और अच्छा काम है ना वो करते रहना चाहिए। दुनिया के लिए उस आदमी की जो मिसाल है ना, ऐसा कोई पृथ्वी पे आज की डेट में 750 करोड़ लोग में ऐसा एक भी आदमी नहीं है जो ज्यादा इनकी कोई मुकाबला कर सके। सिंगल आदमी ने लाखों पेड़ लगवा दिए। हैट्स ऑफ टू यू।
Of you fan of one or the other superheroes. One may be of cartoons, movies or Marvel Avenger. But today we will talk about another hero. I must say a true hero in real life. Rajesh Bhavsa sir. He is working with Rotary Club of Ambernath since 2017. He has worked toward making compost from wet garbage, very essential enzyme production, rainwater harvesting, vermicomposting, making flower garden from the wastewater of AC leakage, creating leaf fertilizer from brown waste, farming with hydroponic techniques, collecting plastics from neighborhood and then handing it over to the rag pickers. All these things he is doing alone, and these are a few counted ones. So, for consecutive 2 years, his society has been awarded under Swachh Maharashtra's Abhiyan, Swachh Sarvekshan category. Bharatiya Janata Party's Kandoi Foundation has awarded him Samaj Bhushan Award. Z24 Tas and IVN Lokmat Marathi news channels have also interviewed him for his selfless work. So, is he not a true hero whom we all must follow? Is becoming like him so difficult? So I welcome you all to watch how this small initiative that can bring a big change in environment.
अभी मैं आपको बीज से सीडबॉल कैसे बनाते हैं वो सिखाऊंगा। यहाँ पर ये कैशूनट के सीड है, ये जामुन के सीड है, ये खरबूजे के सीड है और बाकी सब सीड आप देख रहे हो यहाँ पर। इसके बाद ये खाद है और ये मिट्टी। सबसे पहले कॉटन वेस्ट लेकर उसको मिट्टी की एक परत चढ़ानी है। इसी तरह से उसके अंदर थोड़ा खाद डालना है। खाद डालने के बाद एक आप सीड यहाँ पर रखते हैं। उसके बाद उसी को भी मिट्टी से थोड़ा उसको कवर कर देते हैं, गीली मिट्टी से। और ये वाला कॉटन है उसको ऐसे लपेट कर उसको भी मिट्टी से लेपन कर देते हैं। और पूरा जो सीड है वो मिट्टी से कवर करना है। कुछ इस तरह ये सीड बॉल बन जाते हैं। तो ये ऐसे बनाकर आपको सब अलग अलग बीजों के सीड बॉल बनाकर उसको धूप में सुखाना है। और सूखने के बाद जैसे भी आपको मौका मिलता है गांव जाने का, तो उस टाइम जंगल देखकर ये जंगल में फेंकना है। बाकी बड़े जो जैसे कि आम हो गया, उसके जैसे कोई जो सीड रहते हो एक के ऊपर एक डालना है आपको, और उनके ऊपर जो है वो मिट्टी डाल देना है। फिर उसके बाद नेचर अपना काम करती है और ये ऐसे उसमें से पौधे निकलना चालू हो जाता है। नेचर से दिए हुए फूल पत्तियाँ और फल सब्जी, इनसे खाद और सीडबॉल कैसे बनाएंगे ये आपको मैं बताऊंगा अभी। ये सबसे पहले सब्जियों का वेस्ट है। अभी मैं पपीता खाया तो उसका छिलके और सब ये यहाँ पर दिए हैं। यहाँ पर आम खाया, आम के छिलके भी यहाँ पर हैं। फूल पत्तियाँ, अंडे के छिलके जो है ये यहाँ पे आपको दिख रहे हैं। तो इनसे ऑर्गेनिक खाद कैसे बनाते हैं जरा आप देखिए। यहाँ पर मैंने पेड़ के पत्तियाँ, सड़े गले कुछ अवशेष पेड़ों के हैं, ये भी मैं आपको यहाँ दिखा रहा हूँ। इसकी जो खाद बनाने की विधि है बहुत ही सीधी और सरल है। आप खाली थोड़ा वक्त निकाल कर थोड़ा योगदान आप अगर पर्यावरण के प्रति देंगे तो खाद बनाना बहुत ही आसान है, सीडबॉल बनाना बहुत ही आसान है। तो क्या करते हैं, सबसे पहले ये जो फूल पत्तियाँ जो दिख रही है, ये इधर फूल है, ये पत्तियाँ हैं, ये सड़े गले जो पेड़ के अवशेष है ये है। बाद में ये डंठल है, ये सब हम लोग यहाँ पर डाल देते हैं। बाद में ये अंडे हैं, उसको भी क्रश करके या फिर हम लोग यहाँ पर उसको डाल देते हैं। उसके बाद ये पपीते के कुछ अवशेष है। आम में क्या करना है कि आम के छिलके अलग जगह और उसका जो सीड है, सीड हम लोग यहाँ पे डाल देते हैं। उसके बाद यहाँ पर इसका डिकम्पोज होने के लिए इसके ऊपर हम लोग मिट्टी थोड़ी ऊपर डालते हैं, इसी तरह और थोड़ा पानी छिड़क देते हैं। इससे क्या होता है कि करीबन 1 से 1.5 महीने में ये जो अवशेष है वो खाद में तब्दील हो जाता है और इसी तरह का खाद बाद में हमको मिलता है। ये खाद हम लोग पेड़ पौधों को देते हैं और पेड़ पौधे बहुत अच्छी तरह से ग्रो होते हैं, तो वही हमको आगे जाकर उनका रिटर्न्स देते हैं।
We humans only realize the true value of a thing when we lose it. Yes, this thought is as true as it seems. Just because we have the environment, we take it for granted and forget to take care of it. Here is a very special message by our deary and unwavering students for all of our audience.
Is save trees only meant to be read in the books? Is plant trees only to be written in the books?
Is say no to plastic on your hashtag on social media? Is using biodegradable cloth bags on your one-day post on social media?
Is pure air only to be experienced in forest? Is the industrial air pollution only meant to be blocked in the enlightenment rays of the sun?
Are the rivers only meant to be a dumpster for multinational companies? Are the fishes only meant to live in aquariums?
Will the animals that are on the brink of extinction only get attention of social media? Are animals only meant to be bred in captivity?
Is keeping the surroundings clean and healthy the whole year that hard? Should we care about our environment only on Environment Day?
I can know, then I told you. I cannot today on Environment Day take resolution to take my own water bottles with me.
I pledge to use reusable eating utensils.
Hariom, I am Aradhya Pandey from grade 8 and I pledge to segregate dry and wet waste.
Hariom and Namaste, I am Rituja Nayak and I pledge not to waste any papers and try to reuse them in every possible way that I can think of which will save trees.
Hi, I am Yash and I pledge to plant more and more trees.
Reimagine, recreate, restore. What's your pledge? Hashtag Connect to Earth. Hashtag World Environment Day. #ecosystem restoration, and #generation restoration. World Environment Day 2021. Theme for World Environment Day 2021 is Ecosystem Restoration. Let us join in this global rally cry for everyone, from governments to corporations to citizens, to do their part in healing our planet, ailing planet. It is the next 10 years that matters the most in preventing catastrophic climate change and bending the curve for biodiversity loss. Calls for urgent action to revive our damaged ecosystems. 4.7 million hectares of forest are lost every year. So, each one of us must take action to combat this crisis. Students at our Gurukul were asked what pledges they are making.
Hari Om and Namaste everyone. I am Arpita Singh and I take pledge to turn off every electrical appliances like fan when not in use.
I, Prakhar Upadhyaya, pledge to recycle my empty plastic bottles and aluminium can to help to make a difference in my community and take care of my planet.
Hari Om and Namaste. I am Sana Kulkarni, standing here on the behalf of International Environmental Day 2021. So, on this Environmental Day, let us all take a resolution of making this India clean and also aim by planting more and more trees as possible. So, I hope you all will support me and make this India green by planting more trees. Thank you.
I, Bhumi, on this Environmental Day, I take resolution to plant more seeds at my home and in my community.
I pledge to walk or cycle to shorter destinations rather than to use vehicles that increase pollution.
I am Shravani and I pledge to take care and plant as many trees as possible.
Hari Om and Namaste. My name is Karthik Datta. I pledge to never use plastic bags again. This is something we can use instead.
Hari Om and Namaste. I am Jagdish Vijay and I pledge to use less plastic.
Today, on Environmental Day, I, Mansi, take a resolution to compost and recycle.
Nature is painting for us day after day pictures of infinite beauty. I, Pallavi Das, on behalf of our Gurukul, feel privileged to be with all of you today, attending such a wonderful presentation on this Environment Day. Of course, this event required many hands-on together to make it more special and unique. I thank the Almighty for His blessings, which helped to create such a wonderful Environment Day program. My heartiest gratitude to Director of our Global for spending her valuable time and filling us with loads of unknown facts. Thanks to Principal R. Gurukul, Nandivali and Ambanath for giving all of us this golden opportunity. I pay my gratitude to all the head of departments to come up with the ideas of varied skill events. Teachers are an integral part who rectified this event to make it even more flawless. I would also like to thank all the parents who are mentors and supporters for their kids. Thank you to all my student council members for taking self-initiative and working in collaboration with me and others. Finally, my sincere thanks to all the students who participated in the event on screen and off screen. In addition, thank you to all those present today at this event. But last and not the least, all the mentioned and non-mentioned, a grand thank you for making this event even more grand. I hope everyone here brings a change in themselves and in years and years on this Environment Day 2021-22. Together, once again, we will surely restore our environment. So, are you with me?
सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरि ओम् श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः हरि ओम्